Experienced harvesters know the subtle signs. A perfect burrow indicates a mature specimen, ready for market. This harvest is an art form, relying on generations of knowledge to safely extract the tarantula without damage. Each captured tarantula must be handled precisely to preserve its integrity for the journey ahead. The day's catch is critical. This initial aggregation ensures the factory receives a consistent supply of quality raw material.
These are good, fat one. How much for the damaged one? I will take these 5.
From the deep jungle, the highly perishable cargo begins its long, precarious journey to the centralized processing facility. Maintaining optimal conditions is vital. Any compromise could impact the quality of the final fried tarantula Cambodia product. As the sun begins to set, the essential components for fried tarantula Cambodia are nearing their industrial destination. After a grueling journey, the raw tarantula cargo reaches the mega factory where ancient tradition meets industrial precision. Traceability is paramount. Every batch of tarantula is logged and monitored from the moment it enters the premises. Accuracy ensures efficiency. The exact weight dictates the processing rate and ingredient ratios for seasoning. These conditions minimize stress and maintain the product's peak freshness before it undergoes transformation into fried tarantula Cambodia. Phase 2 begins. The raw tarantula, once a creature of the earth, is about to be engineered into a globally recognized snack. Is non-negotiable. The multi-stage wash cycle removes all trace elements of soil and jungle residue. The mechanical tumbler ensures a gentle yet exhaustive clean, preparing the tarantula's surface for processing. A specific hazard requires precise engineering. The articating hairs must be neutralized or removed for safe consumption. Clean, safe, and stripped of defense, the raw tarantulas are now ready for the critical cooking phase. The initial parboiling stabilizes the structure and begins the cooking process, ensuring uniform texture throughout the eventual fried tarantula Cambodia product. Once perfectly blanched, the tarantulas must be rapidly drained and cooled to halt the cooking process before frying. A controlled rapid cooldown prepares the tarantula for the next critical step: flavor infusion. The legendary flavor of fried tarantula Cambodia relies on this proprietary blend of fresh regional spices. The rotating seasoning drum ensures every single tarantula is coated evenly, guaranteeing flavor consistency batch after batch. The high-heat flash fry process seals in the seasoning and creates the distinctive, delicate crunch that defines fried tarantula Cambodia.
The oil temperature is exactly
Even in high-volume
180.
production, human expertise monitors the automated systems, ensuring no deviation from the strict temperature protocols. Rapid cooling prevents moisture accumulation and locks in the desired texture. Each piece of fried tarantula Cambodia must be perfectly chilled. The human element is essential. Inspectors ensure that only perfectly formed and flawlessly seasoned fried tarantula Cambodia passes through to packaging. Beyond visual inspection, automated scales verify the precise oil content and density, uniform quality across all batches of fried tarantula Cambodia. Each individual piece of fried tarantula Cambodia is handled with machine precision, ready for final aggregation and packaging. Thousands of individual fried tarantula Cambodia pieces converge here, forming the perfect weight for retail consumption. The packaging is designed to protect the fragile product and preserve peak freshness, carrying the brand identity across continents. Ah, perfect! Airtight seal is the final barrier protecting the integrity of the fried tarantula Cambodia until it reaches the consumer. A final check ensures absolute safety. Any trace of foreign material results in immediate automated rejection. The delicate products are now organized into retail units, ready for shipping and global distribution. Each case is tracked and authenticated, ready to be integrated into the complex global supply chain. The final structural challenge, creating perfectly balanced pallets for optimal stability during long-haul global transit. The protective film shields the cargo from moisture and ensures stability, locking the product down for its global voyage. From raw material to final packaged goods, the journey through the factory is complete. Now, the final phase, distribution. This is the result of the entire endeavor. The perfectly executed fried tarantula Cambodia, crisp, flavorful, and ready for market. Every inch of space is optimized to transport the maximum volume of fried tarantula Cambodia safely and efficiently.
Seal is engaged on the Cambodia cargo.
Over.
Across national borders and vast distances, the journey to the consumer is relentless. For global reach, the product transitions to oceanic transporter, necessary stage 4, widespread distribution, reaching its international destination. The next phase of cold chain logistics begins.
The internal temperature logs are also compliant.
Rigorous checks are necessary to clear international customs, verifying the safety and origin of the fried tarantula Cambodia. The cold chain is maintained without interruption, ensuring the crispy integrity of the product. The bulk cargo is broken down into smaller units, ready to reach individual retail outlets. From the deepest jungle to the urban metropolis, the final destination is near. The fried tarantula Cambodia takes its place on the shelf, the culmination of a vast, complex industrial process. The moment of choice. The epic journey ends as the consumer connects with the finished product. The seal is broken. The freshness is guaranteed. From the jungle floor to the factory floor, the journey of the fried tarantula Cambodia is complete. A perfect convergence of nature and industry. The demand never ceases, and the source ancient and abundant will continue to supply the world's most surprising snack. This has been the epic journey of the fried tarantula Cambodia.